Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the chronograph on your fossil-made chronograph watch. So something really important is to know that we have three subdials. The one here on the right is going to belong to military time, so that is going to synchronize with the main time. And as you can see, this small watch hand is going to be synchronized with the hour hand, so it is going to tell me either 3 a.m. or in case I go past 12 o'clock, it is going to show me that it is going to be p.m. So as you can see right now, I am at 1 o'clock and here it shows me 13. Now there are going to be two other subdials and those two are going to belong to the chronograph. The one right here at 6 o'clock, this is going to belong to the seconds of the chronograph. So that is why I have up to 60. And then here on the left side, we have a subdial that belongs to the minutes. So as I go past 60, it is going to show me here 1 minute. Now here on the right side, we have two pushers. The top pusher is going to be used in order to activate or to start the chronograph. You can see that the seconds hand has started to tick, and I can also use it in order to pause, resume, so to continue, then pause again and resume. Now something really cool is that as you go closer and closer to 60 seconds, this watch hand right here is going to go closer and closer to 1 minute. As you go past 60 seconds, it is going to show me there 1 minute, and I will be able to read 1 minute and X amount of seconds. Now I have gone past 1 minute and you will be able to see that if I pause the chronograph, now I can actually read 1 minute. As you can see, the subdial on the left side shows me more than 1 minute, and here when it comes to the seconds, I have 15 seconds. And in order to reset the chronograph, I'm going to press the button pusher. In this particular model, the chronograph is going to go backwards until both of these watch hands are perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. You can see that this one points perfectly at 60 and this one perfectly at 30. In case the watch hands of your chronograph aren't perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock, this means that you need to calibrate or to reset the chronograph watch hands. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, so you will know how to do that. And also, I'm going to show you how to correctly and safely set the time and date. There is going to be a trick that you need to follow in order not to damage the date wheel, so the wheel that changes the date. Otherwise, there is going to be a possibility or a risk that you can actually damage the watch, so make sure to check out the link in the description box below. Furthermore, guys, I'm going to make a video on how to adjust the bracelet and also how to replace the watch battery on this particular model in case you are interested. Once again, both links in the description box below. So guys, that was the quick video that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really helps the channel grow. Leave a comment, let me know if you found this video useful, helpful, what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.